Okay, got a GE refrigerator with the light that came out. This seems to be a pretty typical problem with this GIE G16GS HHRSS refrigerator. It's a stainless steel refrigerator, has an ice maker. Nice little machine, but this seems to be a common problem with it. Here's your door switch for the fridge. So what we can do is push that door switch in, and then we insert this up. And most of these I wind up doing them blind, but if you can peek around there, you can kind of see what's going on. It just sits kind of funny in the way that it sits in. So you gotta get the back portion in, and then push the upper part in, just like that. And it's definitely not the strongest thing in the world. Just kind of just sits in there like so. That's a done deal. Yep. Not the best design, in my opinion, on those. I got a lot of those falling out, but it's an easy fix. Job security. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.